Here is the Ionic 5N race version. Mamma mia! Doesn't look too bad. I kind of thought this design wouldn't really lend well to being a race car, but it looks really good. Really good stance. Wide arches. It's a prototype. That's cool. Full cage inside. It's even got a quick shifter, but why on earth would you need that if it's electric? Ask in the comments, why would it have a quick shift? I do not know. 4 individual bucket seats there, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. So you could take this out shopping and take the kiddies as well. There's also a red light and a green light in the windscreen. I'm not sure why.